Hello and welcome back to Tech for Less, the show where we talk about all the best tech you can get for cheap. I'm your host, Chris DeGraw, and today we're taking a look at 5 great finds under just $25. I don't want to waste any more of your time, except to say that yes, I did get my hair done. Thank you for noticing. Anyway, let's get into it. Kicking us off, we have the M-powered Luci Outdoor 2.0. Spring is here, and here in the Pacific Northwest, the nice weather is finally upon us. As you start to plan your camping trips, you may want to consider adding this super lightweight collapsible lamp to your gear kit. It's inflatable and completely solar powered, so no matter how far off the grid your adventure takes you, so long as you have some light during the day, you've got the light you need at night. The Luci Outdoor 2.0 has 4 modes: low, bright, super bright, and 1-second flashing. It also has an adjustable strap on the bottom, making it easy to attach inside a tent or on a small tree branch. The best part is just how seriously compact it is. This lamp collapses down to just 1 inch in height and weighs under 5 ounces. Naturally, when you're exploring the outdoors, every single inch of space counts, and the Luci Outdoor 2.0 adds about as little burden to your pack as humanly possible. The Luci Outdoor 2.0 sells for just $15, and I expect it will become an important companion to many of you in the coming months. Now that we've covered practical lights for the outdoors, I want to show you some more fun lights for inside your home. I'm talking about the Windtop LED strip lights kit. This kit is insanely simple to set up. It features a 5-meter or roughly 16.5-foot spool of adjustable LEDs, which you can cut down to pretty much whatever length your project requires. The strip has one adhesive side, but depending on the surface, you may need to supplement that with some tape of your own. The included 44-key remote allows you to choose from a ton of colors that you can leave solid or set to breathe or flash between, and they can get really bright. You'll want to keep the infrared sensor within view of the remote, but the power adapter and LEDs themselves can stay neatly tucked out of view, so the only thing you really see when you're done is the light itself bouncing off whatever's around it. These strip lights are great at accenting a home theater system, kitchen bar, computer desk, YouTube backdrop, really anywhere where you want to draw extra attention. And at $20, they're one of the least expensive and most powerful ways to quickly transform a space. Let's switch gears. This is the Casa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini from TP-Link. Basically, this plug is a way for you to turn just about anything into a smart device by letting you control the power to it from anywhere with an internet connection. Setup is fairly straightforward. Once you plug it in, just download the Casa app on your iOS or Android device, create an account, and it'll walk you through 4 or 5 steps that get acquainted with your home's Wi-Fi. All in all, it took me about 5 minutes. Once that's done, you can pick from an assortment of images to represent the device, as well as name it. And the name is more than just for show, too. The Casa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini is compatible with Google Home and Alexa, so you can use simple voice commands to control it. One really cool feature is away mode. Of course, like with most smart outlets, you can schedule your devices to turn on and off at specific times. But with away mode, you can set it to turn on and off intermittently over a certain period of time. This is really handy with lights when you're out of town. By setting them to turn on and off throughout the evening, it'll deter any ne'er-do-wells from scoping your place out and trying anything nefarious. The Casa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini sells for $20, and it will cost you a lot less than a full-on smart bulb solution like Philips Hue. And it's a lot more versatile, too. Next up, we have the Sony XBA1 Bluetooth compact portable speaker. I can always appreciate a Bluetooth speaker that punches above its price range, and this little speaker more than performs that job. It's sleek, small, and attractive, and doesn't look or feel cheap, which is a common pitfall for budget Bluetooth speakers. It's also splash-proof, so you can take this with you into the bathroom or on a day trip to the beach or river, and you shouldn't have to worry too much. You're probably wondering, though, how it fares as far as audio quality. Now, it is a mono speaker, and it's exceptionally small, as I've mentioned, so you shouldn't expect to be blown away by the max volume or bass. But it definitely gets the job done, and it can easily fill a modestly sized room. I tried it at max, and it did start to distort somewhat. I'd say the sound quality is primo at about 70 to 80% volume. The Sony XBA1 is the kind of speaker you'll want to strap to a backpack or take with you to a hotel or Airbnb. It's at its best when you're just looking for decent audio in a convenient and portable package. And at $23, it really is worth every penny. Finally, we've got the Anker PowerCore Fusion 5000. This is a combo portable battery and wall charger in one. It's extremely handy while traveling, basically reducing the number of charges you have to carry around by at least 1. Like the name suggests, the PowerCore Fusion has a 5,000 mAh battery, which, for those of you who aren't phone nerds like me, Works out to about 1.5 to 2 full charges of your average smartphone's battery. It has 2 standard USB outlets that both charge at the same speed. Do keep in mind, neither of these are for fast charging, so plan your day accordingly. The device itself charges via a micro USB port, and it takes about 2.5 hours for it to charge from empty. Most of the time, it's not possible to charge a device and a power bank at the same time, but Anker has built unique circuitry for this that intelligently charges your device first before going ahead and lending any power to the device itself. The Anker PowerCore Fusion 5000 steps just above our budget at $26, but I'm blown away enough by the sheer convenience this offers to be happy to give it a spot on our list. That's gonna wrap up this week's Tech for Less. As always, you can buy any of the products I mentioned using the links in the description below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Until then, I'm Chris DeGraw. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.